The Walk Bridge has been carrying railroad passengers over the Norwalk River to and from Connecticut and New York since 1896, when Grover Cleveland was in the White House.
It has been the cause of some major headaches on Metro North New Haven line over the past few years. This time last year, in fact, it was stuck in the open position, causing some major delay.
It's a 19th century bridge carrying a 21st century load. The Walk Bridge replacement will be about $500 million, and it was announced that the design phase of the 4 to 5 year project is now underway.
Bridge has got to go. We have 3 more that also have to go. There's more than $3.6 billion worth of work that needs to be done just here on this section of the line.
And it was announced today that the design phase of the 4 to 5 year project is now underway. The funding in place with the help of the federal government, and the process of selecting a contractor has begun.
We'll be replacing this bridge with a bascule type bridge, one that opens upward and down instead of this turning swing bridge type.